Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. If we go into the blog articles, the question today is how can we move this sidebar over to the right hand side of the page? So we're basically shifting the blogs to the left and moving the sidebar to the right. To do that, you can go, there are global settings for this. You can go to settings and you can go to design settings. And within the first tab, when the page loads up, you can scroll down and you can go to the sidebar alignment. And you can decide how you want your post search results set up. So at the moment it's set up to left wide. So we could move that to right wide if we want. So we'll save them changes and see how that looks. And we'll refresh that. Okay. There is another place that you can adjust where you want this to appear for mobile devices as well. So if you go back into the back end of the website and go to My Content Edit Post Settings, you can go to the website blog articles and edit it. And within the search results design, you can go to additional settings and you'll find a section that says sidebar position on mobile devices. And this relates to where you want the sidebar to appear when somebody loads up their page. And you might find it useful to have the search box at the top of the page on mobile devices so they can actually search the blog, but you might want it at the bottom. At the moment, it's set to bottom. We're going to change it and set it to top. We're going to save them changes. Then we're going to go back here and refresh the page. And then we're going to go along to developer tools. We're going to go into more tools and developer tools. And then if we scroll down here, we're going to go, sorry, I've just clicked off there. We're going to go to latest news. And we can see here now that the sidebar has been applied to the top of the results. So it's above the website blog on a mobile device. So you can see that just there. So that's on an iPhone. So that's how you can move the position of the sidebar both on desktop devices and also on mobile devices as well. So I hope you found that useful and thanks for watching.